Simplify t divided by 1 minus t minus t divided by 1 plus t plus 2t divided by 1 minus t squared. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The expression is t divided by 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t plus 2t divided by 1 minus t squared. To begin, we first have to find the LCM of the denominators. We have three denominators here. The first one is 1 minus t, the second one is 1 plus t, and the third one is 1 minus t squared. If we pick the third one, which is 1 minus t squared, we can see that this is a difference of two squares because 1 can be written as 1 squared. And this difference of two squares is factorized as 1 minus t, 1 plus t. So as you can see, both the first denominator and the second denominator are factors of the third one, which is 1 minus t squared, which can be factorized as 1 minus t times 1 plus t. So here the LCM will be the third one. So we have the LCM here, 1 minus t, 1 plus t. Let's continue. We will divide the LCM, which is 1 minus t, 1 plus t, by the denominator of the first one. So we have 1 minus t, 1 plus t. We will divide it by the denominator of the first one, which is 1 minus t. When we do that, you can see that 1 minus t and 1 minus t will cancel out. So we'll be left with 1 plus t. And then we will use that 1 plus t to multiply the numerator. So you have t times 1 plus t. 1 plus t is a binomial. That is, it has two terms. So we have to put it in a bracket. So we have t times 1 plus t. Let's move on to the second one. For the second one, the denominator is 1 plus t. So we will divide the LCM, which is 1 minus t, 1 plus t, by the denominator of the second one, which is 1 plus t. And when we do that, you can see 1 plus t and 1 plus t cancels each other out. We will be left with 1 minus t. We will multiply negative t by 1 minus t. So we have negative t times 1 minus t. Once again, 1 minus t is also a binomial. It has two terms, so we will put it in a bracket. And so you will have negative t times 1 minus t. Then the last one, the denominator is 1 minus t squared. Remember we said 1 minus t squared can be simplified as 1 minus t, 1 plus t. So if we divide 1 minus t, 1 plus t by 1 minus t squared, which is the same thing, it will be 1 minus t, 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t, 1 plus t, which will give us 1. So we will multiply the numerator here, which is 2t, by 1. And so we now have t into bracket 1 plus t minus t into bracket 1 minus t plus 2 times 1. Let's expand the bracket here. T times 1 will give us t. T times t will give us t squared. Negative t times 1 will give us negative t. Negative t times negative t will give us positive t squared. Then 2t times 1 will give us 2t. We already have the denominator here. 1 minus t, 1 plus t. T minus t will give us 0. So that is off. T squared plus t squared will give us 2t squared. And so the numerator will be 2t plus 2t squared. 2t is a common factor. So let's factorize it out. When we do that, we are going to have 2t into bracket 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t, 1 plus t. 1 plus t is a factor on the numerator. 1 plus t is a factor on the denominator. So they can cancel out. So 1 plus t cancels 1 plus t. And we will be left with 2t divided by 1 minus t. So when we simplify this expression, we are going to have 2t divided by 1 minus t. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B.